Opening the fridge door is officially a biological portal that deletes your short-term memory. Like, I just opened it, and my brain instantly hit factory reset. Now I'm just standing here, letting the cold air blast my face, staring at a jar of pickles like it holds the secrets to the universe. What did I even want? Milk? Leftover pizza? My purpose in life? Nope, none of the above, so I close it, walk away, and boom, my memory returns. Ah, shredded cheese. I walk back, open the door, and my brain goes, 404, error not found again. Bro, at this point, I'm not even hungry. I'm just an NPC glitching in the Matrix.